Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I am playing with the Bobbi Brown and Tokidoki collab, which I had never heard of before. I've heard of Bobbi Brown, I have not heard of Tokidoki. I had to do a little bit of research and we talk about what it is all about. Now, this is the collection that we played around with. Look at the packaging, it is so adorable. And then I am absolutely obsessed with the fact that the little characters roll around in here. But you guys, anyways, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see how I got this look using the Bobbi Brown and Tokidoki collection, just keep watching. Okay, so I have my box from Bobbi Brown, and oh wow, there's some things in here. I know that I placed the order. I almost knocked some things down. So I placed my order online, and I know there were some things that they were sending for free or because I spent a certain amount, and I have no idea. One of the first things in here though, and this is super cute, is one of those like headbands, and it says Bobbi Brown and Tokidoki, which I was looking at this and I was like, what the heck is Tokidoki? I had no idea. And I lived a total of 5 years in Japan, but I hadn't, like I know anime and some of that type of stuff, but I hadn't really gotten into the anime culture or the cartoons, and a lot of stuff is very kawaii, cute in Japanese, but I'd never heard of Tokidoki. So I actually did some research, and the creator is from Italy, but inspired by Japanese culture. So I think that's really cute. And I already have my headband on, but I think we're gonna switch it out since they sent a headband. These are so cute. All right, make sure I don't wrinkle my earrings in here. I have a couple of these headbands and they're super cute. Like, do I flip it so I've got like the bunny ears, or do I like lay them flat? All right, the biggest thing is just to keep my hair out of the way for while we're doing this. Look at the little unicorn, it is so adorable. I don't care how old you are. I'm 38 years old, but there is still something about, you know, cartoons that will bring me back to your childhood. It's a whole thing. There's a couple other things in here. So the Prep to Perfect Set Base Perfection. So this is just a little sample kit, I guess. There were a couple things that you got to choose. This has Soothing Cleansing Oil, Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and Vitamin Enriched Eye Base, which I already did my makeup prep, so I will use this next time. So I've never actually tried the Bobbi Brown, what is it, face base. I want to, but it looks so thick and I'm an oily girl. Another item in here, this is the Bobbi Brown Stephanie Gottlieb. Oh, it's like a little jewelry dish. That's cute. I can put this just right back here. I don't always keep my jewelry in here though, so it might go on my dresser in my bedroom. But that's cute. Here's the things that I purchased. I bought the Bobbi Brown Tokidoki highlighting powder. The packaging is so cute. I did have to go on their website just to kind of get an idea, because I saw the release, but I wasn't exactly sure what I was looking at. It is super cute though. Oh, it's even on here. The shade is, it's Pink Glow. I just bought this for the holiday collection. So this was the holiday release, and this is the Pink Glow. Now this is the Tokidoki one in Pink Glow, and they do the pressing, so I wonder if there's, it's got the unicorn. Oh no, I'm torn. Do I keep this and add it to my collection even though I have this massive one because they're comparable. Although the smaller size, like, I could travel with this much easier. Or do I pass it on to a friend? Because I know I have some friends that would just like to take this right off my hands. Oh, decisions. I'm not going to use it this time. I will use the holiday release because it is a phenomenal highlighter. But I'm torn on my decision. We have the extra lip tint in the shade Bare Cherry, and it's got the little apple on it. If you guys can hear any like banging or clunking, we have a horrible windstorm coming through right now. It's like 50-mile-per-hour winds. Like, I just ordered Uber Eats because I'm going out with some friends. I'm gonna eat some sushi before we go. It's saying it's gonna take almost an hour and a half because of weather. I don't know why looking at all of this just made me hungry for sushi. Everything Japanese has been on my mind lately. But this is the packaging, super cute. Let's see. Ooh, I kind of... So I just used a lip tint from Caliray. It was more of like a lip oil. This kind of has a consistency of like, it's like a cross between like chapstick and lipstick. So that's the one thing with Asian makeup. It's very minimal, light, not super in your face and overdone. I know we do pretty heavy makeup in America, but Japanese is minimal, very natural looking. So as much as I like this as just like prepping my lips, I'll probably do a neutral lip to go out. But it is so cute. So you just get like a cherry kissed lip. And then the last thing I got, this is the Cosmo Universe eyeshadow palette. Again, the packaging is adorable. I love the constellations of the bear and the unicorn. When I was looking at this, the palette is a very neutral themed eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know if you guys can, oh my goodness, this is so cute. It might be my new favorite. That is so cute. It has Statue of Liberty riding a unicorn, teddy bear donut. Oh, these are so adorable. This is gonna be like one of those display pieces that end up back here and just are on my table. I love when I can just like take the stickers off, just that fresh eyeshadow palette or mirror. Okay, so this is the color story. Look at the cute little pressings in there. Oh, so all the matte shades have pressings, and then there are 4 shimmers. And then it even looks like there's like crushed pearl shimmers. What is it? Bubble Love is a shimmer eyeshadow. Nope, they're all classified as shimmer eyeshadows. It's just that this purplish one looks like it's one of those. Huda Beauty actually put a couple out, and they're like the crushed pearl shimmers. I wonder when I swatch them if they feel the same way. Those are so cute. The names are really cute too. Nectarina, Bubble Love, Donutini, Rosa Latte, Sugarina. I think these are actually the character names. Like I said, I just had to look up tokidoki. I saw the packaging and I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. Apparently it's like a huge cult following. I'm gonna have to look them up. I think it is so adorable. It's not really like my aesthetic, the just cartoons in general, but they are so cute. Okay, so obviously I had to go ahead, swatch the shimmers. The 4 shades, this is what they look like. This first shimmer is Bubble Love. This is that purple that looked like it had the crushed pearls in it. It is very smooth and buttery, and it's kind of like a silvery lilac shade. Then you have Rosa Latte, very stunning cranberry. Love that. Then you have Sugarina. This one is kind of like an icy topper. This has a purplish blue shift. And actually it's kind of like pinky to purple to blue. It's actually quite interesting. I don't think the camera's doing it justice. And then the last one is Honeybee, a beautiful gold shimmer. Ooh. I know I want to use this one. I think I want to try and put this in like the inner corner on top of this. The great thing with this palette is it's very neutral, which is in my wheelhouse. I love a neutral shade. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love pops of color and have been embracing them so much this year, but a neutral with these like shimmer shades, love them. Okay, so I'm looking at these shades, the matte ones that we have in here, which you've got a like mauve pink, you've got a tan, and then a little bit deeper of a brown, as well as this more beigey white. I hate swatching these because the pressings are so cute, but I'm actually gonna swatch the mattes because they're so light in shade. Okay, so that's what they look like. This one is the pinky one, Lollapessa. This one is Donatini the cat, and then this one is Chocotella. So I think I'm gonna go with the pink and the brown. Oh, such hard decisions. Yes, actually, I'm gonna go with Donatini. I don't wanna mess up the pressing though. This is probably one of those palettes that I will absolutely be able to use for work because it is so neutral. Maybe not so much with like the purpley shades, but the pinky mauves and the tans, absolutely. It is building up beautifully. That is all the one shade Donatini. I'm just trying to get like this tan smokiness. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Chocotella. She is so cute. I've never been, like I said, I've never been into cartoons or anything like that where it's just something I would collect. But these are super cute. It takes me back to like, was it Lisa Frank and Sanrio? I loved those in school. See, and again, it is just more of a brush of color than anything like super dark and smoking out. I still like it though, because I think that the chocolate shade along with the tan, and actually the tan is a little more on, I wouldn't say it's like super cool toned, but it has like a hint of pink in there. Nothing extra on the fluffy crease brush. I just want to touch up the edges. Now I'm gonna use the shade Bubble Love. This shade is so cute. I am gonna do it on my middle finger first. It's very much like super metallic shimmer. And I don't know that it'll pick up well with a brush. And now into the shade Sugarina. This one I'm really excited for because of the shift. This is gonna go in my inner corner and into Bubble Love. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. This one I might have to see if I can pick up kind of on the brush. I'm just tapping over Bubble Love a little bit. I don't want the blue to overtake it, but I want them to blend together. No extra product, I'm just gonna brush the edges forward. Nothing too crazy. This is a very light, neutral look. I love this shimmer though. Okay, I've done my makeup as far as I can with the exception of highlighter and the rest of the eyes. I did actually do a neutral lip combo, which is the Tower 28 multi-liner in Filmy In. This has been one of my go-tos recently. And then the Kylie liquid lip paint in There's No Place Like Home. This was the Kylie and Wizard of Oz, and I have absolutely been loving this since I tried it out. in that video. I'm running a little bit late. I need to go and catch up with my friends. So we need to finish off this eye. I've got to do some brows and then, oh, highlighter. I need highlighter, of course. So let's dive in and knock this out. I'm going to use Donatini underneath my eye. This one's going to go the entire length. I'm going to go into the shade Chocolatella. This is just going to go in the outer corner, just a smidge. Now, we're going to go into the highlighter. This is the highlighting powder in Pink Glow. I really love their highlighters. And brow bone. I love how subtle it can be as well as buildable. I wanted it to be a little more beaming, and then when I do setting spray, it'll just kind of like melt into the skin, which I love. Let me go do some eyeliner, brows, mascara, all of that, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and this is the final look. I have some thoughts. I like how my makeup turned out, don't get me wrong, but I don't think this palette is gonna be for everyone. If you're a fan of Tokidoki, you're probably gonna pick this up anyways because it is super cute packaging. I get why everyone is obsessed with it because there are such cute cartoon characters. Anime? They're cute. They're super cute. But it is a very, very neutral palette. This red is the darkest shade that's in here. If you're a neutral person, I feel like there's very neutral, subdued shades in here, which for me is great because I can wear them to work. The purple, it's still like, it didn't show up as purple as I thought it was. So I could probably get away with it for work. But if you're a bold, in-your-face, colorful person, you're probably not going to gravitate towards this. Let's just be realistic. Is it cute? Absolutely. But are you going to, use this all the time if you're into bright, colorful shades? No, it's not everyone's cup of tea. But I do like it. I think it is absolutely adorable. I'll probably place it right behind me to have on display because it is so cute. The Bobbi Brown highlighter, still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with it. I did use the holiday release in Pink Glow. This highlighter shade is super cute. I do like that it is buildable, so I have put my setting spray on and it's just kind of like melted into the skin. Beautiful shade, love it for inner corner, love it for brow bone. It is absolutely stunning. And then the extra lip tint in the shade Bare Cherry. Really like this shade. I wiped it off and I obviously put on a nude mauve shade because that's what I was feeling for tonight. But I think the collection overall is super cute. Let me know down below, are you picking it up? Have you already picked it up? Do you love it? Are you gonna pass on it because it's neutral and that's not your aesthetic? Let me know, I'm interested. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.